Hey, I'm James. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps I use to create a task management app from scratch using Cursor, and I'll share all the prompts I used at the end of the video, so stick around. I've tested dozens of task manager apps, journals, even scribbled on my hand, but most tools either overcomplicate things or don't fit how I actually work. Today, I'm going to break down how I built a simple task manager using AI to write all the code for me and got my app up and running in a few hours. Let's rewind. A while ago, my task management was chaos. Missed deadlines, forgotten ideas, apps that felt like solving Rubik's Cubes every time I used them. I realized that simplicity wins. I needed a tool that I control. No subscriptions, no distractions, just a clean interface to add tasks, delete them, and see everything at a glance. So I decided to get started creating my own app, and so can you. You don't need to be a developer. If I can do it as a former sticky note holder, you can too. Now, building this wasn't all good. At first, I over-engineered it, trying to add too many features, but then I realized the best systems are frictionless. The more steps, the less I'd use it. So I stripped it down to the essentials. Add a task, delete a task, and see everything in one place. But how do I code it fast without learning to code or getting stuck debugging for hours? This is where Cursor changed everything. Instead of wasting time Googling errors, Cursor helped me write all the code from prompts. Here's a blueprint of how I created my app. Step 1, set up the project. Fire up Cursor and create a new project. That's the foundation done. Step 2, start prompting for your app. Open up the chat agent in Cursor and start prompting to get your app. I've included the prompts that I use to create my app in the description. I use the Cursor agent and have YOLO mode activated in Cursor. I let Cursor do all the coding and I put time into prompting correctly. Step 3, host the app on Firebase. Hosting your app for free on Firebase gives you a great platform to have your app up and running on the internet with no domain or hosting fees. Why this works? It's yours. No ads, no updates breaking your flow, it's just pure focus. Over time, I'll add tweaks like adding AI to help me brainstorm, but I'll keep that for another video. Grab the free template in the description. It's got everything you need to replicate this. And if you customize it, tell me how. Tag me on social or drop a comment. I read every single one. You can also use my Task Manager app from the link in the description. It's free to use. Task management shouldn't drain your energy. It should give it back. By building your own tools, you reclaim control. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will catch you in the next video.